From the beginning, Tesla has always followed a well-structured plan, unlike traditional automakers that tend to adapt to market trends. Elon Musk's company decided to chart its own path, making electric vehicles affordable without sacrificing performance or innovation. Although the strategy seemed simple on paper, the execution was extremely challenging. Start with a premium and exclusive model, move on to a mid-range model with higher production volumes, and, finally, launch an affordable car for the general public. But why was this approach essential? The answer is clear. New technologies always have a high initial cost. To make them viable on a large scale, each step must be refined until the ideal balance between cost and efficiency is found. The first step on this journey was the Tesla Roadster, launched in 2008. Based on the Lotus Elise platform, this high-performance electric sports car served as a test of viability. Its price tag was over $100,000, but its purpose was not to be a bestseller, but it proved that electric cars could be fast, exciting, and, above all, desirable. At the time, the idea of a high-performance electric car seemed utopian, but the Roadster broke that paradigm by accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. This was Tesla's first impact on the market, paving the way for the second phase. With the spotlight on the company and growing interest from investors, Tesla launched the Model S in 2012. This time, the approach was different. A luxury electric sedan with a much greater range than its competitors at the time and onboard technologies that reinvented the concept of the smart car. Although it was still an expensive vehicle, with a starting price of around $50,000, it represented a major advance in accessibility and production volume. It was no longer a product exclusive to millionaires, but it still did not serve the mass market. Tesla then expanded its presence in the premium segment with the Model X, a high-performance electric SUV, further cementing its position in the sector. The real turning point came with the Model 3, launched in 2017. This was the moment when Tesla finally reached the mass market, offering an electric car for $35,000, the brand's most affordable model to date. Mass production brought challenges, but demand was huge, solidifying Tesla as the largest electric vehicle manufacturer in the world. From there, the plan reached its final phase, developing an even more affordable car without compromising technology or performance. The launch of the Model Q represents a revolution for popular electric vehicles. Previously, consumers had to choose between power, range, or affordability. Tesla decided to change that equation. The Model Q is not just a cheaper vehicle, but a redefinition of what an affordable electric vehicle should be. It delivers a level of performance that was previously exclusive to luxury models. The biggest surprise? Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds is an impressive feat in any category, especially for a car that starts at just $18,990. But how did it happen? The secret lies in the combination of a revolutionary engine and a more efficient design. This performance puts the Model Q on par with supercars and well ahead of competitors in the same price range. For comparison, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, one of Tesla's main electric rivals, takes 5.1 seconds to reach the same speed, while the Chevrolet Bolt EUV, another popular alternative, needs 7 seconds. The Model Q not only outperforms these competitors in terms of raw performance, but it does so at a considerably more affordable price. The most impressive thing? All this power comes without compromising on efficiency. This is even more evident when you look at its range. With an impressive 350 miles per charge, it stands out as one of the best electric vehicles on the market in this regard. In practice, this means that drivers can travel long distances without having to constantly worry about finding a charging point. For comparison, the Mustang Mach-E offers just 230 miles, while the Chevy Bolt EUV reaches 247 miles. With this advantage, the Model Q becomes an even more attractive option, eliminating one of the biggest fears of electric vehicle consumers, the need for frequent recharging. The secret behind this efficiency lies in the advanced technology of the motor. This is not a regular electric motor, but rather an evolution of what Tesla already uses in its most powerful models. It was designed to be lighter and more powerful at the same time, making the most of the battery's energy and ensuring that every mile traveled is optimized. The result? Incredibly agile performance without wasting charge, a true game changer in the driving experience. In addition, Tesla has improved the Model Q's weight to find the ideal balance between power and energy efficiency. New manufacturing techniques have made it possible to reduce the vehicle's total mass without compromising its structure, which directly impacts its handling. The car responds quickly to commands, maintains stability even on sharp curves, and provides a much more engaging drive. The experience of driving a Tesla has never been so accessible. But the Model Q's true revolution is not just its affordable price or impressive performance. The big difference lies in its engine, which incorporates technology previously exclusive to the brand's most powerful models. The carbon fiber-clad engine represents a huge advance in the efficiency of electric vehicles, combining lightness, durability, and power. This innovation not only improves the Model Q's performance, but also sets a new standard for the industry. To understand the impact of this motor, it is essential to analyze its structure. The rotor, the part responsible for generating the movement of the wheels, is normally made of metal, which adds weight and is subject to wear over time. Tesla solved this problem by wrapping the rotor in carbon fiber, an extremely light and resistant material. This significantly reduces the weight of the motor and allows it to rotate at much higher speeds without losing efficiency. The lightness of carbon fiber brings another great benefit: less energy waste. In conventional motors, part of the battery's electricity is dissipated due to the weight of the rotor and mechanical resistance. In the Model Q, the reinforced structure reduces this loss, ensuring that more energy is converted directly into movement. The result is even more impressive acceleration and superior energy efficiency, allowing for greater autonomy without the need for a larger battery. But the advantages of this motor do not stop there. One of the challenges of electric vehicles is the overheating of the motor at high speeds. Tesla found a clever solution. In addition to reducing weight, carbon fiber also acts as a thermal insulator, preventing excessive heat buildup. This means a motor can operate at higher speeds without the risk of overheating, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme situations, such as sudden acceleration or prolonged high-speed driving. Another major improvement is in durability. In traditional motors, rotor wear over time can lead to a gradual loss of efficiency and even mechanical failure. With carbon fiber technology, this problem is virtually eliminated. The reinforced structure keeps the rotor stable even after hundreds of thousands of miles, ensuring that the Model Q's performance remains exceptional for many years to come. The Model Q has maintained its high performance over the years, ensuring reduced maintenance and superior reliability, making it an even more attractive option for drivers. A crucial point of this innovation is that this motor technology is not new to Tesla. The same concept has already been applied in the powerful Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid, vehicles that exceed $88,900. The big news is that, with the Model Q, this cutting-edge technology finally reaches the mass market for less than $20,000, representing a significant step forward in the democratization of electric vehicles. When talking about electric motors, many people focus only on power and acceleration. However, the true revolution of the Model Q lies not only in its ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in record time, but in the way its motor uses every bit of energy. This balance between extreme performance and energy efficiency redefines what is expected of an affordable electric car. The secret behind it? The combination of an optimized structure and advanced carbon fiber technology developed to extract the maximum from every watt stored in the battery. One of the biggest highlights of this motor is its impressive RPM. While most conventional electric motors operate between 12,000 and 15,000 RPM, the Model Q's carbon fiber reinforced motor exceeds 20,000 RPM. This feature allows it to generate more power with a more compact design, making the vehicle lighter and more responsive. But this increase in RPM is not just an impressive number on the spec sheet. It has a direct impact on the car's acceleration, fuel efficiency, and drivability. Speaking of acceleration, the Model Q can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, a feat that was previously restricted to supercars or premium models like the Model S Plaid. The big difference is that now this level of performance is accessible for a price of just $18,990, making the electrifying driving experience available to many more people. When you step on the accelerator, the response is immediate without delay or hesitation. The instant torque propels the car forward with surprising agility. But it's not just about raw power. The real difference with this engine is in the drastic reduction of energy losses. In traditional electric motors, a significant portion of the battery's electricity is wasted as heat or mechanical friction. In the Model Q, the carbon fiber reinforced rotor minimizes these losses, significantly increasing the efficiency of the system. As a result, the vehicle not only accelerates faster, but also travels more kilometers on the same charge. Speaking of range, this high-efficiency motor directly contributes to the Model Q achieving an impressive 350 miles, approximately 560 kilometers, on a single charge. For comparison, the Ford Mustang Mach-E offers only 230 miles, 370 kilometers, while the Chevrolet Bolt EUV reaches 247 miles, 397 kilometers. In other words, the Model Q delivers up to 52% more range than some of its main direct competitors. And this advantage does not come from a larger battery, but rather from an extremely advanced energy management system that avoids waste and maximizes every available watt-hour. If there's one thing that has always been associated with high-performance electric cars, besides technology, it is luxury. Models such as the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan are examples of this. However, the Model Q arrives to change this paradigm, offering innovation and elite performance at an affordable price, proving that cutting-edge technology and efficiency do not need to be exclusive to the most expensive models. Up until now, high-end electric vehicles have been comparable to luxury sedans, but at prohibitive prices for most people. The Model Q is here to change that. For the first time, an affordable electric car doesn't have to compromise on technology, comfort, or sophistication to stay within a budget. This model not only delivers supercar-worthy performance, but also redefines expectations for an EV that costs just $18,990. Starting with the interior, the Model Q adopts a minimalist and highly functional design, maintaining Tesla's signature futuristic style. The dashboard is clean and elegant, with a high-resolution touchscreen that brings together almost all the vehicle's functions. But this infotainment system is not just another ordinary screen. It comes equipped with a powerful processor, capable of running everything from advanced navigation and driving assistance to high-performance games when the car is parked. For a vehicle in this price range, this level of connectivity is unprecedented. The interior space is also impressive. Despite being a compact model, the interior was cleverly designed. The absence of combustion engine allows for a more efficient design, ensuring more space for passengers and a larger trunk than many mid-size sedans. In addition, the Model Q maintains one of Tesla's trademarks, the panoramic glass roof, which provides a feeling of spaciousness in the cabin and lets in natural light, making the environment even more pleasant. Another major difference is in the driver assistance systems. The Model Q comes equipped with Tesla's Autopilot, one of the most advanced driving assistants in the industry. The vehicle has automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and intelligent speed adjustment, features that are normally only available in more expensive models. In the Model Q's price range, few competitors offer such an advanced level of automation. In terms of safety, Tesla maintained its high standard. The Model Q is designed with reinforced structure for better impact absorption and has an emergency braking system that monitors the environment around the car in real time. In addition, sensors and cameras cover virtually every angle of the vehicle, ensuring that the driver always has a clear view of the traffic and can avoid collisions before they even happen. This positions the Model Q as one of the safest EVs in its category, an essential factor for those looking for a reliable car for everyday use. Another point worth highlighting is the soundproofing. Although electric cars are already naturally quieter because they do not have a combustion engine, Tesla went further and used high-tech materials to further reduce external noise. The result is an extremely comfortable interior environment, something that is normally only found in luxury sedans. The biggest surprise, however, is that all this innovation does not result in a high price. The Model Q costs 41% less than the Mustang Mach-E and 50% less than the Bolt EUV, while delivering superior performance, greater range, and more advanced technology. This completely changes the rules of the game. Now, It is no longer necessary to choose between an affordable EV and a model with cutting-edge technology. The Model Q brings both worlds together in one car, an affordable electric car with cutting-edge innovation and supercar performance. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Tesla has just proven it's possible. Tesla has managed to turn this concept into reality with the Model Q, and the result is astonishing. The secret behind this achievement lies in the way the company reinvented its production line, while many automakers still follow industrial methods from the last century. Instead, Tesla has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing to cut costs without compromising quality. The Model Q is definitive proof that the strategy works. One of the most important innovations is in the manufacturing of the motors. Previously, the carbon-coated motor was a differential restricted to Tesla's premium models, but now it can be mass-produced without increasing costs. This was possible thanks to the application of artificial intelligence and smart sensors, which monitor each stage of the assembly in real time. Small adjustments are made automatically to ensure maximum precision, reducing errors and waste. The result? A 25% drop in motor production costs, allowing this cutting-edge technology to be present in an affordable car. In addition, Tesla has implemented 3D printing to manufacture complex components that previously required several production stages. This method allows the design of parts to be optimized, making them lighter and stronger, and speeds up the manufacturing process by up to 30% less time than conventional methods. This reduces the need for huge stocks of parts, saving space and money. A practical example is the Model Q structural supports, which use reinforced materials to increase durability without adding unnecessary weight to the vehicle. Automation also plays a crucial role in this revolution. While many automakers still rely on manual labor for critical tasks, Tesla operates highly automated factories, where each part of the Model Q is assembled with millimeter precision. The impact of this is significant. Motor assembly time has been reduced by 60%, allowing more units to be produced in less time. In addition, automation minimizes manufacturing errors, reducing rework and maintenance costs. Another key factor in reducing the Model Q's costs was local production in gigafactories. Instead of manufacturing parts on one continent and assembling the cars on another, Tesla has strategically positioned its factories around the world. The gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, and Shanghai have dramatically increased production capacity, reducing logistics costs. This means less transportation, fewer customs duties, and a much more efficient process. This strategy alone has resulted in a 20% to 30% reduction in logistics costs, allowing Tesla to pass these savings directly to consumers. In addition to innovations in production process, Tesla has also optimized the use of alternative materials and new processes to reduce manufacturing costs without compromising quality. The company has developed lighter metal alloy for the body, making the Model Q more aerodynamic and efficient. The same has been true for the batteries, which have undergone design tweaks to reduce the cost per kilowatt hour without compromising efficiency. Thanks to these improvements, the Model Q can deliver 350 miles of range without needing a gigantic and expensive battery. This aggressive approach to automation, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing has reduced the production cost of the Model Q by up to 25% compared to previous models. And the best part? Tesla didn't have to cut corners to make its car cheaper. It just made its production smarter. The impact of this strategy is already being felt in the market. The Model Q is not just another electric car. It represents a new era for EVs. With a price tag that rivals even combustion-powered vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, it is completely changing the rules of the game. The question is no longer whether electric vehicles will dominate the market, but how quickly this transformation will happen. And with the Model Q, this revolution appears to be coming much sooner than anyone imagined.